Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pancakes. First, gather your dry ingredients: 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. Whisk these together in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, combine 1 large egg, 1 1/4 cups of milk, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. This ensures a smooth batter. Now it's time to combine everything. Pour your wet ingredients into the bowl with the dry mixture. Stir gently with a whisk or spatula until just combined. It's important not to overmix. A few small lumps are actually a good sign and will lead to fluffier pancakes. Overmixing develops gluten, making your pancakes tough, so resist the urge to keep stirring. Next, heat your griddle or nonstick pan over medium heat. Lightly grease it with a pat of butter or a little oil. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. Flip carefully and cook until golden brown. Finally, serve your freshly cooked pancakes immediately to enjoy them at their best. They are wonderful with classic maple syrup, but feel free to get creative. Add some fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or even a sprinkle of chocolate chips. If you're making a large batch, you can keep them warm in an oven set to 200 degrees Fahrenheit until ready to serve.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.